Good evening, guys. Today we have to discuss about differentiate between the linear diode and avalanche breakdown. Linear breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Linear breakdown occurs in a reverse bias junction, which gives a constant output voltage. But avalanche breakdown doesn't provide a constant output voltage. Linear diode gives constant output voltage. Avalanche breakdown does it give a constant output voltage? This constant output voltage from a generator can be used as a reference voltage for many regulators. This is the differentiate between linear diode and avalanche breakdown.